Before starting to assemble the floor bed, you should read the instruction manual in full, paying particular attention to the warning notices. Assemble the headboard and mattress platform head. Insert the locking pin and the R-clip in both positions. Assemble the footboard and mattress platform foot end. Insert the locking pin and R-clip in both positions. Insert the two mattress platform joining bars and secure with locking pins and R-clips. Slide the mattress platform spacers over the joining bars. Join the two parts of the bed together using the joining bars and secure with the locking pins and R-clips. The bed should now be assembled with 8 locking pins and R-clips located, 4 on each side. Remove the red transport tie-downs from the leg rest and backrest, enabling free movement of the profiling sections. Store those for future use. Plug in the 4 actuator cables and fit the sliding protective caps over each connector. Inspect all wiring for damage and risk of crushing before plugging the power supply cable into the bed supply cable, and then the power supply into the main supply socket. Using the handset, raise the mattress platform approximately 12 inches, tighten the 4 locking screws under the mattress platform using the Allen key, which is supplied with each bed. Fit the mattress guides in position as shown below. Select the fitting slot by mattress width, either 35.5 inch or 36 inch. Fit the foot-end mattress guides in position. Keep in mind they may be stiff when they're new, and you may want to put in one side and then the other. Fitting slot 2 may only be used if the platform is extended to the 84-inch length and the mattress platform extension is in place. When fitting the assist bar, please read the instruction manual, paying particular attention to all warnings. Place the assist bar far enough down the bed frame so it does not catch the mattress guides. For a full list of available accessories, please contact your medical supply dealer or visit accora.us.com. Thank you.